Alright, so I'm starting to try to set this up. So this is the IOGRAPHER case.
It appears nothing is playing at the moment.
I wasn't talking to you. I'm not going to say your name. And I put the Rode microphone. I got it turned backwards because I'm going to be using it. And I took a quick video just to test the microphone. So I'll probably upload these two videos together. Alright, so this is a quick test. I have the iPad on the tripod with the IOGear. Is it IOGear? I already moved the box, so I don't even know. IOGRAPHER or something like that. I put the Rode video mic on top, so I'm testing to see if the audio is coming from that or not. So I'm gonna just to see. But yeah, so I got the microphone on top so far. Just using the front camera on it. Obviously, if I'm walking around, I use the rear camera. And I have to think about the audio setup because, I mean, if you're going to use this on the field and you're going to be recording other people, I'm going to turn that around the other way. I'll figure it out. But yeah, got on the tripod. And that's the whole setup. And then obviously you could unlock it and pick the whole thing up. But yeah, so far so good. Gotta see what else I might add to it. You got some screws here, threading. Got more stuff that we could put on top with the cold shoe. But right now I think this is good enough.